In hospitals and outpatient facilities, patients are often transported with IV fluids infusing. Often during or after transport, air becomes trapped in the line due to the drip chamber being inverted. This happens when the IV fluids and the pump are transferred from one pole to another and the drip chamber becomes inverted like this. Air in the line increases the risks of IV clotting because pumps stop infusing, causing delays in tests and procedures, and patients become at risk for an air embolism. We have a foolproof device that not only prevents these risks, but safely and efficiently we can transfer the IV fluids and the pump from one pole to another as a unit. The pump, IV fluids, and IV pole are transferred as a unit efficiently so that more tests can be done throughout the day. The end result is cost effectiveness because more tests can be scheduled and the facility makes more money, the patients are happier, and the nurses and the staff can continue to deliver safe patient care.
The device here is configured on a standard rolling device. It's very simple in operation. You simply loosen one of the levers and you can remove the IV pole containing the bags, pumps, and other devices and move this pole from one base to another. Bases such as beds, wheelchairs, and gurneys. All that's required is that the bases as now configured simply be cut and the device affixed with a twist of the lever. This lever can also be removed and replaced with a stainless steel nut and bolt so that the device remains with the base. But the device can be moved from one base to another. It consists of ROHS compliant materials, high-grade stainless steel, and high-grade aluminum. The levers can easily be aligned by pulling them out and aligning them along the side of the device itself. Also, the same size tubing on the bases can be affixed in the bathrooms by a small 6 to 8 inch stud affixed to the floor of the bathroom or affixed to the sink coming out from the side. This would allow a patient to come into the bathroom with a nurse or by herself with the IV pole as originally configured and simply placed on the base. Afterwards, the base remains and the IV pole is simply taken back to the original site. This device is highly cost effective because it prevents the air from entering into the vein and causing air embolism, which is very costly as far as time and safety. The device can easily be removed, added, or configured in different manners.